Good morning, sir. Today being 8 January 2026, 145 container containing 2020 Highlander 3-touch headlamp, the new design 3-touch headlamp for 2020 Highlander. We have 2020 Highlander normal headlamp. We have 2018 4-touch Highlander headlamp. We have the 2020 Tacoma LE headlamp. 2024 Prado 3-touch headlamp. We have Hilux GR kit and Hilux red lamp. We have Hilux tailboard light also. We have the 2016 Avalon headlamp. We have 2016 the Avalon front grille. We have Camry 2018 headlamp. RAV4 2019 front bumper. Corolla 2020 front bumper, SE front bumper. We have Corolla 2020 LE front bumper also. We have the RAV4 2022 front bumper. And we have RAV4 2016 headlamp, LE headlamp. All available. You can place your order now.